Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is another great grocery haul for you. It's a small grocery haul because we're still doing fantastic at using what we have and eating at home. This completes week 2 of eating at all meals at home, including drinks and snacks. No gas station pit stops, no nothing. Our refrigerator and freezers are it. We did buy some snack foods today in our grocery haul, and to be honest, I decided to go ahead and splurge a little bit more at the grocery store, then open that window to have cravings and run out and get something. So I did buy some convenience items and things at the grocery store this week, in full confession, which you will see. So as a reminder, my meal plan for this week will be over on Instagram, which is Melinda's Messy Sink on Instagram as well. Hey guys, we're gonna start our grocery haul here with non-food items. My husband is working outside this next week. He works outside, so he went ahead and got some foot warmers because it's supposed to get really cold here again. I needed some Band-Aids for my foot, so I bought deals for $1 off of both of these Band-Aids. I bought some cold medicine. My husband was nice enough to share his cold with me, so we needed some cold medicine. I bought this Aleve X pain relieving lotion. It's like a roll-on. And then I bought some Flintstone gummies. For buying all 3 of these together, which are things that we'll use, I will get $10 back from Ibotta for these 3 things. I got an extra 50 cents off on the Band-Aids because last week I had to buy Neosporin. So there was a bonus where I got an extra 50 cents off. Then I bought some whipped cream cheese. I've had this on the list for a couple weeks and I kept forgetting to buy it. I bought 3 of these Breakstone peach cottage doubles. I've never tried them. And there was an Ibotta, but I can't remember exactly how much it was off on each one. Snapple 6-packs. We have strawberry kiwi, peach tea, and Snapple apple. Those all had Ibotta rebates on each 6-packs as well. Some turkey, some ham from the deli, my favorite, Cocoa Pebbles, some roll sausage. We were out of roll sausage in our outdoor freezer. These were on sale at Walmart, so I went ahead and picked up a couple to put back in the freezer. Chili cheese Fritos, mesquite barbecue kettle cooked chips, self-rising flour, 225 square feet of aluminum foil, some mandarin oranges, tomatoes, red and orange pepper, lettuce, cucumbers, a bag of Honeycrisp apples, some Nutty Buddy snack cakes, Honey Buns snack cakes, some more of my Linder's plain bagels that I love, some sub buns for our sub night this week, 2 gallons of 2% milk, and 2 of the Florida Naturals No Pulp. And that's a wrap on this week's grocery haul. Thank you guys so much for following along. If you like this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, or comment. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next one.